if you have received the message from the UK requesting that you replace your BRP, current BRP, what you do is from the email they sent to you, just scroll down to the link. Here, you see the link here. Scroll down to the link. Replace your BRP with an eVisa now. What you do, scroll down from the email, scroll down, create your UK account at that link. Click on the link to load. So you can open with your Chrome or your Safari, whichever one you want to open it from, or with. Whichever one you want to open it with. Then click on it, it will load. It will take you to the UK, to the gov.uk. So you see start now. Before you start, you should have your BRP with you. Then that's it. Click on biometric. You understand? Do you still have your biometric? Yes. Click on yes. Is your biometric residence permit still valid? Yes, it is still valid. Then scroll down, create an account. You create an account here. Click on create an account. You see, who are you creating this account for? For yourself, of course. Click on me. Click on OK. Come down. You're giving names. The names you have your passport, your first name, and your surname. Type it. That's your name. I've done it before. I'm just typing this name here. They're not actually my name. Okay. Surname, your surname, whatever surname is. Continue. Come here. Which country? Your country of nationality. You're from Nigeria. Just click to that. Which identity document are you using? Use your BRP. You get why? BRP. You have your BRP here. Put your BRP number. I've done it before, so I'm not probably going to put it. Okay, let me add something here. Okay. You have to put your date of birth. Put your date of birth. Then you click next. It is sending your code. You confirm your identity. You confirm your contact. Then it will now take you to the UK. Yeah, it's not from here. It will lead you to download the UK immigration ID check. It's a mobile app. Download the mobile app. Use it to scan your ID card, scan your face, and you're done. So it's straightforward. Just keep clicking, follow the instructions, and make sure you do your own today. It's very straightforward. It's easy. You should use your phone. Use your mobile phone to be faster. And then that's it. You're done. Thank you.